All engineers in Kenya will now be required to log in and register the projects that they are handling in order to create a transparent and accountable system for tracking and also monitoring engineering projects. Engineers Board of Kenya says that the portal will also serve as a centralized platform where engineers can conveniently register their documentation, a move that will also weed out quacks in the sector. Trevor Ngendo puts that story in perspective.
From collapsed buildings to poorly designed infrastructure, the impact of substandard engineering practices have been far-reaching, with the incidents not only endangering lives but also leading to financial losses, wasted resources and damage to reputation of the engineering profession as a whole.
The ministry is implementing reforms to improve the efficiency and the effectiveness of the transport sector. This includes the modernization of regulatory framework, promoting competition and streamlining administrative processes to reduce bureaucratic handles and enhance service delivery.
The government, regulatory bodies and Engineers Board of Kenya have embarked on an active initiative to address the challenges. This will include the introduction of stricter licensing and registration procedures through a centralized platform that will require engineers to register and upload documentation of projects they are handling.
The board has developed the Engineers Project Registration Portal, where all engineers are expected to log in to the portal and register the projects that they are handling. This will enhance efficiency and effective monitoring and verification of the profession engineering services and works. The project will be launched during the convention. The Engineers Registration Portal is expected to minimize cases of infrastructure collapses.
The upcoming Engineering Partnerships Convention will have discussions centered around technological advancements and their impact on engineering standards and practices to help in the development of appropriate legislation and policies.
Innovative financing models will be highlighted during the convention. This financing will provide solutions to leverage private sector resources and expertise in infrastructure development under the plan.
We want to participate in the supply and demand of engineers. Of course, we are saying right from primary school to the university and into the practice of engineering, so that we guard this profession very seriously. And that, I know, will be able to give us that impetus that we require as a country to be able to transform this country to the level that we are looking forward to.
The Kenya Broadcasting Corporation is the official media partner in the 3-day convention that will take place in Naivasha in mid-June. The Ministry of Roads and Transport has held the Engineering Partnerships Convention as a flagship activity in a bid to demonstrate the government's commitment to fostering growth through engineering. Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition, Nairobi.